Wow.
Halika dito.
Ik werk samen als
This is the bridge. The famous bridge in Holland.
Je hebt wel een leuke bijbaan. Ja, je kan ook kranten moeten doen of bij de appie moeten werken. Dus dat leuk is. Zeker, het is gewoon win-win.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
I waste so much time of my life, wasting so much time of my life waiting for this bridge.
Oh, the bridge is
Well, whenever I want to
amazing.
cross it, but sometimes I use it as an excuse as well.
Wow, now it's open. Huh? Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Okay.
And now, the tourist will pass the bridge. Actually guys, this is one of my dream place to visit. It's amazing! Parang natatakot ako. Parang ako natatakot kasi tumataas, tumamaya bigla siyang tataas.
Magra-red naman yan. Picture?
Dali.
Nakalaano ka ba?
Pwede.
Mga picture.
Tapusin ko lang to. 1 minute na lang. It's amazing bridge. Dadaan tayo dito mamaya, di ba? Ha?
Kala ko nagmadali tayo.
We will go there. There. Why? It's very beautiful. I witness how the bridge is open and closed.